Welcome to Exodus versus ZenGo. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are provided in the description. In this video, we'll explore the features, usability, and unique offerings of Exodus and ZenGo to help you determine which wallet best meets your crypto needs. Exodus Wallet is a visually appealing, beginner-friendly wallet known for its simplicity and versatility. It supports over 200 cryptocurrencies and offers a built-in exchange for seamless in-app token swaps. With a sleek portfolio tracker, Exodus provides users with insights into their holdings at a glance. Available on desktop, mobile, and as a browser extension, Exodus offers flexibility for managing crypto on various devices. It is a non-custodial wallet, meaning users retain full control over their private keys. However, Exodus lacks advanced features like multi-signature security or robust integration with decentralized applications, DApps, making it more suited to casual users rather than crypto power users. ZenGo, on the other hand, offers a revolutionary approach to crypto security with its keyless wallet system. Instead of traditional private keys, ZenGo uses advanced cryptographic techniques, including facial biometrics, to protect users' assets. This makes it exceptionally easy to use and eliminates risks associated with losing private keys. ZenGo supports a smaller range of cryptocurrencies compared to Exodus, but focuses on popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and major stablecoins. It also includes features like earning interest on holdings, in-app purchasing of crypto, and direct integration with Web3 apps. ZenGo is ideal for users who prioritize security and ease of use, particularly those who are new to crypto or apprehensive about managing private keys. In summary, Exodus Wallet is a stylish, feature-rich option for users seeking a straightforward and visually intuitive experience. Meanwhile, ZenGo caters to those who value cutting-edge security and a beginner-friendly approach, even if it sacrifices broader cryptocurrency support. Both wallets have unique strengths, and your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Check the links in the description to explore them further and find the wallet that aligns with your crypto goals.